Anyway, yeah. What is up, everybody? I am Supernova Gaming, and welcome to Pokemon Platinum Extreme Randomizer Nuzlocke. Woo! I know, I am probably the worst Pokemon YouTuber out there. I'm changing the games. I'm not continuing video games, but I'm all over the place. I'm trying to work on it. I really am. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, everyone. But hopefully, I can start changing things and everything. We're not gonna go much into the dialogue, because come on, everyone's played Pokemon Platinum or Pokemon. You all have watched someone play Pokemon Platinum. I'm not really one to read dialogue. I get bored as heck reading dialogue, which makes me kind of want to quit a game series, which, I mean, that's not a good thing to have as a YouTuber, but it's yeah, it's kind of how it is. But anyways, we're gonna be the guy, the boy. We're gonna be the boy. Name him Nova. Name him Nova. Sadly, this game, the reason I wanted to do Pokemon Platinum Extreme Randomized, because Platinum, Pearl, and Diamond are one of the slowest and honestly most boring Pokemon games I've played, and I wanted to do the Extreme Randomizer to make it a bit more fun. So I'm hoping this makes it a bit more fun. It's so long before you get your starters in this game. You have to go through this, which even with this fast forward on, still takes a while. All this dialogue with your rival friend, but it's absolutely just gruesome sometimes. That's why I'm not really a big fan of Platinum and all that. They definitely took the slow way, because oh my god, let me tell you. Yes, I get it, Mother. Thank you, Mom. Now we get it's nighttime. That's nice. Oh, Jesus, Barry, come on. Dude, seriously. I can't wait to see what our randomized starters are. Also, want to get in this now. This is an extreme randomizer Nuzlocke. When I say this is extremely randomized, everything is extremely randomized. Your starters, your encounters, your items on the ground, moves that the Pokemon learn, randomized. Abilities, randomized. Stats, randomized. Move typings, randomized. Pokemon typings, randomized. Evolutions, randomized. Everything is randomized, so it's gonna be quite difficult. Cause let me give you an example. You can have Flamethrower, And it could be a flying move. Flying type move. You can have a Pikachu, and it could be a fire poison type. Okay. So, now there is a chance that moves could be randomized to their actual, you know, typing. Like, Thunderbolt could be electric type. Or it could change to Thunderbolt being a water type move. It's randomized. So, just getting over this. Come on now. Where's that briefcase? Your boy wants to see his randomized, extremely hopefully powerful starter. There she is. Can't wait to see what we can encounter. Those are going to be awesome too. Alright. So we have Tentacool. Ludicolo. Okay, that's not bad. And yeah, okay, we're going with the Ludicolo. Easily. Okay. And then we're going to battle our rival. My phone is at 24%. Oh, okay. That happened. Yeah. Ooh, a Gibble! Dude, wait, what? Gibble wasn't an option? Are your Pokemon gonna be randomized every time? Oh, that's gonna be difficult. Alright, so we have Rapid Spin, the Dragon type move. Flash Cannon, the Fire type move. Solar Beam, the Bug type move. And Earthquake, the Steel type. Hold up, real fast. Oh, we can't do summary of our Pokemon. Earthquake. Ooh, destroyed. We destroyed that Gibble. Sorry, David. AKA J.K. Rowling's son. His favorite Pokemon is a Gibble. And I just murdered it. My name is also David, so it was like, hey, running shoes. We have the running shoes now? We do. Nice. Okay. Let's go do this. There's so much before you could do anything. There's this guy. Thank you. Legendary Pokemon. Whoa! Oh, what was that? No, we don't have. Wait, hold on a second. We don't have any Pokeballs. No, duh. Alright. This is where we find out what we could possibly encounter. Nuzlocke rules. First encounter in every route is your encounter. Once you get a Pokeballs. Once you get the Pokeballs, then your Nuzlocke begins. Therefore, every first encounter in every route is your encounter. If a Pokemon dies, it is dead. If a Pokemon faints, it is dead. And all. You must rename all your Pokemon. And everything. So, god damn it, Barry. Running into me every dang time. Honestly, man. Ludicolo. I'm gonna think of a thing. Donnie. I don't know why, but Donnie popped into my mind. And your name's gonna be Donnie. Yep, Donnie. Like Donatello. the Ninja Turtle, even though you're not a turtle. I don't even know what Ludicolo is. So much dialogue, so much dialogue. There's so much dialogue here. Are you done? Are you? No. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Pokemon. Let's take a look. The electric type. You have an electric. You're an electric type. Okay. Quick-tempered. Relaxed nature. Hyper Cutter. Prevents the attack stat from being lowered. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. And then all those. We have some amazing special defense. And some really good. We're very slow. We have really bad speed, but that attack. So we're a physical attacker. Okay. Oh, what up? TM27. Wonder what this is gonna be. These are Pokemarts, Poke-Centers. You can heal your Pokemon here. These is Pokemarts. This is where you buy your potions, Pokeballs. But go talk to your mother and tell her make sure she knows that you're going on this adventure. Worry Seed. I don't care for no Worry Seed. Alright, we still have not got Pokeballs. Our Nuzlocke has not begun yet. There's a Slowbro. Gotta go talk to Mom. Also, I want to bring something up. This is it's a big thing that's brought up in a lot of videos that I see. When you see a house and there's only one room, I want to bring something up that I see in this game. Yeah, go deliver the parcel. Yeah. Okay, let's go upstairs. You notice this? A window. One window, correct? Now if you go this way, there's two windows. Now unless there's two windows over on the other side, that means there's another room. What if there's just another room, but you're not allowed to go up it because it's your mother's room and you know you don't go in your parents' room? Huh? Maybe there is another room. But we could go get our Pokeballs and... Oh my god, a Dragonite! Yo, let's use Flash Cannon. I want to see what Flash Cannon can do. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That did nothing. Earthquake? Are you... Okay. Good enough damage. Level 7. It is 11 o'clock. I should not be making a video at 11 o'clock. I should not. Oh, this is a horrible idea. But I wanted to get this. I wanted to get this video made. Let's heal up real fast. Nurse Joy, please heal up my balls. Nurse Joy, please heal up my balls. Anyway, let's go up here and get our Pokeballs. Original 151 posted his Extreme Versus. I'm gonna watch that. I was just singing Vinny's Nurse Joy rap, Pokebot Center rap thing. Nurse Joy song he made. Go check out Vinny or Original 151 on YouTube. Absolutely awesome guy. my favorite YouTuber right now. Honestly, dude's awesome. But finally we're getting our Pokeballs. The Nuzlocke has begun, and we have a total of 3 encounters we can get. So let's work our way before we go anywhere. How many Pokeballs did we get? We got 5. I'm gonna buy a few more. Get 3 encounters. Let's get 10 and 5 potions, because we definitely need potions. Don't want to die, you know. I don't want to get that encounter just yet. Okay, I'm gonna make my way all the way over to here. Get this encounter right up here, in this patch of grass. Alright, please be something awesome. A shift tree. Okay, what would rapid spin do? Rapid spin doesn't do much. Fire punch. All these other moves are super powerful. Ominous wind. We need to look out for ground type moves, because we are an electric type. Alright, let's see if we can catch the shift tree. Ooh, so close. I'm gonna give it one more ball. Come on. Yeah, we got the shift tree. Alright. Fire type. Alright. By flapping its leafy fan, it can whip up gusts. Wicked. I'm gonna name you Wick. Because you're a wicked type of Pokemon. Therefore, you're Wick. Welcome to the team, Wick. Let's see. Summary. Fire type Pokemon. Bitter Food. Technician ups weaker moves with Ominous Wind, Ice Fang. Wow, that's funny. Oh no. Fire Punch and Mist Ball. Okay. I was gonna say usually Ominous Wind is a dark type move and using Ice Fang as a ice type move, but I think Ominous Wind is a ghost type move. Right, what else could we have gotten? I swear, if we run into a Lucario, I'm catching that. Or Lucario, or Scizor, because those are my 2 favorite types of Pokemon. Let's heal up real fast. I've always wanted to encounter Lucario. I have yet to encounter a Lucario in the wild, so. Plus, it's a Lucario, come on. Lucario is absolute power, even if he's randomized. Yo, can we get that Dragonite in this route? Beldum, okay. Not bad. Rapid Spin again. Earthquake. Hopefully it doesn't kill. And it does. It's super effective. What is Steel super effective against? Ice? Was that an ice type Pokemon? Is Beldum an ice type? Interesting. I kind of want to get a Pokemon we can evolve easily, to be honest. Like a starter, first evolution Startermon. And our encounter here is a Delibird. I did not mean to go for Earthquake. Oh, it lived. I think I'm pretty sure I could hit it one more time. Yeah, we got ourselves a Delibird. Well, possibly a Delibird. Hold up. Wow, you didn't even shake. Hey, we got the Delibird. I'm gonna name you a Deli. Yep, steel type. Okay. Deli. Welcome, Deli. I keep wanting to go to there. Alright, summary. Deli is a steel type. With Stall, the Pokemon moves after even slower foes. Oh, that's horrible. Close combat. Spark, Water Pulse, Refresh. Not bad. Moveset. Horrible ability. Horrible ability. A Cleffa. Flash Cannon. Signal Beam. Again, I think the only moves we have to look, the only move typing we need to look, steer clear from is Ground. Because that's super effective against us. So. Hey, a Stantler. Flash Cannon. Don't hit yourself. Don't hit your... Okay. Better than hitting yourself, I guess. Whipping up a Whirlwind. Snapped out of Confusion. That is such a cool effect. And we destroy the Stantler. Nice. Nice. Oh, almost a level 10. I guess we're going to heal. I did not mean to jump that, but we're going to go heal. So we have a team of 3 now. That's pretty awesome. We would have a team of 4, but I killed the Bellum. What else could we have gotten? We could have gotten a Clefairy. Don't care for Clefairy. We have the Delibird. The Delibird. Let's fight this dude. I think there's a randomized, our first randomized item coming up right here. Let's see what this does. Hirayama, what do you randomize to? Ice type. Okay. And first randomized item is a Sharp Beak. That ups flying moves. Wow, a Latios. That would have been a good encounter. Wouldn't have been able to catch it, but that's okay. Shut up, tell me what to do. Stop it. Oh, yeah, we gotta... Oh, that's right, we have to go do all this looker stuff. Oh, I shouldn't... Oh, Platinum's gonna be a long game. Platinum is a very long game. Alright, looker. I forgot that there's a whole looker thing and then the distortion world. I totally forgot. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna give the parcel to our rival. Get the Poketch Watch. Get one more encounter. And then call the video. Because it is almost... Ooh, there's another randomized item. Master Ball? Focus Band, okay. Because I'm falling asleep here. Trying to stay awake by talking. So. There's that. That guy's gonna show up. He's gonna want us to talk to these clowns. I don't like clowns in real life. Just, no. I hate, just clowns are, they're creepy. I was chased by a clown when I was younger. Yeah. Not that great experience. I've had horrible childhood. The only thing that made my childhood better? Video games and cartoons and TV, but you know, mainly video games. They help, you know. Some people may not think they do, but they do. Video games help. Alright, we could go this way. Get it. Oh, we have a rival battle. That's right. We'll do a rival battle. Get another encounter. And then, oh, now you have a Starly. Cool, I'm gonna kill it with flash cannon. Ooh, flatter. What does that do? Raises my special attack. Rapid spin. Gonna do nothing. Are you a water type? Well, sorry. Never mind. Water gun isn't a water move anymore. Unless it's randomized to a water type move. Flygon! Hey! Yo! You lucky son of a gun! That's my other favorite type Pokemon. That is like one of my favorite type Pokemon. Definitely top 5. I love Flygon. Absolutely love Flygon. I mean, look how cool Flygon looks. Flygon is so cool looking. So cool looking. Like, honestly, if you don't think Flygon is such a cool looking Pokemon, are you gonna heal? A Solar Beam. That did absolutely nothing. Every time it does Nasty Plot, I think it's flicking me off. Honestly, it's always like, wait, what just happened? This freaking Flygon keeps healing himself. Lucky Bug. Actually, Lucky Dragon. You're a dragon. Fly. You're a big dragonfly. I should be naming you Sparks. Have I not been naming you Sparks this whole time of my life? I usually name you Spirit. Sparks. Like the dragonfly from Spyro. My favorite game. I can't wait for the Spyro Reignited trilogy. I cannot wait for that. I can't wait for them to remaster all the Pokemon games. I'm gonna Pokemon Spyro games that need it, like Enter the Dragonfly. Yo, that game where Spyro gets the multiple flame abilities like ice and all that. Oh, I love that. All right, a Togetic with Luster Purge. That's not bad. An Aqua Jet. Don't kill. And it killed. Okay. Great. What else could we have gotten? Cubone. Okay. Actually, you know what I think? I think we could get another encounter. I'm gonna try to ignore these guys for now. Get that other encounter, and then wrap up the video there. Flash Cannon, this Aggron. My commentary has gotten a little better. I've been talking a lot more in this episode. Hopefully that continues on in the other episodes. Okay, we're fine. You should be training up your other mons. I will train up my other Pokemon, but not right now. I don't feel like it right now. I want to get my starter up a good amount of levels. When are you gonna learn another move? Can that be soon? Brr. falling asleep here. I'm usually asleep by 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, Smokey, we can get one more encounter. Oh yeah, and then we can get Rock Smash here as well. Which that's going to be randomized to different ability move typing as well. HMs don't randomize. It's still Rock Smash, but a Jump Luff. Wow, that's garbage. What else? Yep. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end this video off here. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button. And, oh my god! Isa Rayquaza! That would have been an amazing encounter. Oh no, I didn't mean to do Solar Beam. No, we're fine. Let's kill this Rayquaza. Get this final randomized item. Right up here. Nagata. I don't know why I said Nita. It's Ningata. See it, smash the ball. Escape road. Alright. As I was saying, thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at Kazzer18, CAZZER18. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.